In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete subscriber groups in MailerLite. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to MailerLite. Then sign into your account. You'll land on your dashboard, and from the left navigation menu, you want to click on Subscribers. This is where all your subscriber management happens, so take a moment to get familiar with this area if you haven't already. Once you're there, look for the Groups option and click on it. This will bring up a list of every subscriber group you've created in your account. Now, you'll need to locate the specific group you want to delete. Scroll through the list carefully and make sure it's the correct one before you do anything else. A good habit here is to open that group and take a quick look at its members. Ask yourself, do these subscribers need to stay in your account? And if so, should they be moved to another group first? Deleting a group doesn't delete the subscribers themselves, but moving them beforehand can keep your organization tidy. Once you've decided, navigate back to the main groups page. Next to the group name, you'll see a three-dot menu icon. Click that, and a small drop-down will appear. From the options, select Delete. MailerLite will then show you a warning message. Read it carefully. It will remind you that deleting the group removes the group structure but typically leaves the subscribers untouched in your account. If that sounds right to you, go ahead and click Delete Group or Confirm to proceed. MailerLite will process the deletion, which usually takes just a moment. After that, refresh your Groups page to confirm the group is gone. It should no longer appear in the list. To be thorough, open a couple of subscriber profiles and verify that those individuals are still in your account as intended. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a subscriber group in MailerLite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.